Hello and welcome to Situ's Beyond Booking apartment tours. I'm your host Jessica and today we are at Staybridge Suites, Vauxhall. I'm here with the wonderful Dominique and we cannot wait to show you around the apartment tours today.
So the hotel generates about 60% corporate clients and 40% leisure clients who usually tend to stay for at least 7 days or more. So all of our rooms come fully equipped with a microwave oven, we have a mini fridge, dishwasher, and an electric stove. So the kitchen leads straight into the bedroom. We have a double bed here, very comfortable. Guests can request the room to be changed as frequent as they want. Bedroom then leads into the lounge space. We have a large LCD screen TV here and the view of 9 Elms and the MI5 building. The local area I would say is quite trendy. There's a lot of new buildings around here, a lot of new developments. There's a lot of corporate buildings around here. We are situated about 15 minutes away from Oval Cricket Ground, and we are a short distance away from the MI5 building. We also have a work desk here, which is great for our corporate guests. The lounge then leads us over to our accessible bathroom, which comes fully equipped with our complimentary toiletries. So at this present time, we are currently in the certification process to become one of the first to certify as an IHG low carbon pioneer hotel. So we also have our storage space, which comes with extra hanging, laundry basket, ironing board, and a safe. Also mine. So just as we head out, we have our intercom system here, which is for heating. Key cards always go here just to activate all the lights. So we have a 24-hour reception. We have our on-site laundry. We have a gym and we have a locker room. So we host socials which run from Monday to Wednesday. This is an opportunity for our clients to come down, mingle with staff over snacks and drinks and just network. Thank you so much, Situ, for coming over to room 508. It's been a pleasure showing you this apartment tour.